Baby, Ginger, and Posh. Now these 5 girls, I was like, this is for all the gays out there, you'll know what I mean. All the boys would be playing football in primary school, and we'd be in the other bit of the playground with the girls like, I'm giving you everything. And if the teachers were looking, they'd be like, kicking the ball. But this is going to be my last one tonight. This is my favourite thing to do on the show. I'm going to be sticking around after this. We'll be doing a meet and greet, we'll have some photos and have a chat. And then most importantly, once we've got the work out of the way, let's get fucking hammered! So go with them, and have a fucking lovely time. I've been looking forward to this one for ages. This is my last one. Merry Christmas. This is Spice Girls. Here we go. I want to hear you all singing the words. Hold tight. Birmingham, let's see you all clapping around. Hold tight. I'm giving you everything, all the joy and pain, just I swear. And all that I want from you is to promise you there'll be I'll give you everything on this, I swear, just promise I'll always be there. Do you think you are? What the fuck you do? Some kind of superstar. You have got to make it move it, think you are. Just to use it, move it, show me how big you are. Swing it, shake it, move it, make it, think you are. Just to use it, move it, show me. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get in my place. Make it last forever, friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Thinking is too easy, but that's the way it is. If you wanna be my lover, come on. So everybody down and one to know that Birmingham, spice up your fucking life. If you don't make it time, if you don't feel fine, go around. Step it to the left, if you're ready to get fine. Shake it to the right, know that you feel fine. See, yeah, hold tight. If you're ready to get time, if you know that you feel fine. Go around. Step it to the left, if you're ready to get fine. Shake it to the right, know that you feel fine. See, yeah, hold tight. Give it up for the boys. Have a brilliant Christmas, and I'll see you all this game fun. Lots of love. Nightingale, make some noise for the one